Shmai Today we're going to be looking at answering a word problem using skills we've learnt the past few weeks. I'm going to take you through the first one and then I'm going to give you your questions that I'd like you to have a go and upload to Seesaw. Mr. Price has 1,614 oranges. He needs to share them between 6 boxes. My questions to you are, can he share them equally? How many are going to be in each box? And will there be any left over? So let's take it question by question. So can he share 1,604 equally between 6 boxes? We've looked at divisibility in the past. So is my number divisible by 6? Can you remember the rules? It needed to be divisible by 2 and 3. My rules for 2 and 3 are, if the number is even, it can be divided by 2. And if you add the digits and the sum is that of a 3 times table, it can also be divided by 3. So let's have a look. 1,614. Is the last digit an even number? It's a 4, so yes it is, so it can be shared by 2. Let's have a look if we can divide it by 3. So if I add my digits together, 1 add 6 is 7, add 1 is 8, add 4 is 12. Now we know 12 is in our 3 times table, but if you wanted to then add the 1 and 2, you find that it is a 3. So yes, it's also divisible by 3. So if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, it's divisible by 6. So yes, they can be shared equally with no remainder. If I look at my questions, I can see my last question says, are there any left over? Well, if I can share them equally and there's no remainder, there's not going to be anything left over, so no. Let's have a look at this one. So how many are going to be in each box? I'm going to use a number line to divide 1,614 by 6 using things I already know. I know 100 times 6 is 600. I'm going to use all the multiplications that I know to help me across my number line until I get to the number 1,614, just like I've showed you in our past lessons. Once I get to my number, I need to find out how many lots of 6s went into the number. 100, 200, 250, 260, 265, 269. I'd like you to have a go at these questions and upload them to Seesaw. Good luck!